Hey guys, Blake here at Big Thunder Marine, and this is a Tigé Ultré 23. The Tigé Advanced Positioning System is truly the bee's knees. TAPS for short will make the biggest wave I've ever seen. Pair that with cascading steps, transcending down into the water, with a power platform, a transom stereo remote, and full center walkthrough. One of my favorite features of this boat is the surf locker storage. I've had up to 4 boards with room to fit more in here. Everything's got its spot. You can keep your boards out of the sun and safe and secure in their surf locker. So let's carry into the back end. I want to show you how these rear seats work. Very, very cool with their different forward and rear facing setups. And for these back seats, so you can see how they work, obviously I'm going to have a rear facer, which is normal in a lot of boats, which I really like and is comfortable. But what you don't see that Tigé does really well is now I also have an interior seat. I can come in here, cove out, talk to everyone inside the boat. So again, super versatile, and they really hit the nail on the head with this one. Now to really highlight the adjustable seating in this Tigé Ultré, we're gonna show you the rear flip seat, which is also a step. You can have a seat back, and you can also flip it to be your first table. Let's keep that in that position, and let's also show in a 23.5-foot boat, the first rear view facing seat, yet another rear view facing seat. And just in case for those guys who do work on the boat, you need a home office, maybe this thing is a write-off, who knows? You've got it right here with your desk, so you're ready to go to work. So in most 23-foot towboat layouts, this is your layout. But in the Ultra, they do it different. And now you have a runabout style layout where your co-captain can face forward. In front of me is a no joke cooler, no nonsense cooler. It's a Dometic cooler. It will actually make ice. It will keep everything cold all day long for you. Oh, and you can take it out and take it camping as well. From there, let's go to the driver's seat. I really never thought I'd want a power office chair, but after going out and using this boat, this is a must need. This is amazing. Never had it before. And when I'm at the helm, it's very easy. The screen is easy to use. I actually have controls for surf, volume, speed, music, video camera, all at the steering wheel. I don't even have to touch the screen. So again, ergonomics, just second to none. Next to the screen, I love that I have this cubby area for my wallet, my headphones, even a hat or a shirt if it's my turn to ride. I do have a wireless charging spot for my phone, as well as multiple charging spots, wireless and USB hookups in this boat. So this is the Tigé Power Tower. It has 4 tow points, starboard and port, the center surf one, and right here up top you can get to your wakeboard one. If board storage, if 4 boards isn't enough, you have 2 more boards, actually 4 more boards you can put on top. 8 boards total without board racks. If that's not enough, optional board racks are available, PTM clamping board racks. Audison stereo, this will knock your socks off. This is an American company with American parts that truly just want to make the best stereo possible in the boating industry. All right, guys, and with Tigé, it's all about the ergonomics, and they really knock the skin off the ball with this one, guys. Full steps all the way into the boat, cascading in. I don't have to step on a seat. And believe it or not, guys, there's even more to this boat. So talk about layout, another rear facing seat. Everything's got its spot. So this will pop up, fit in there, armrest. Now you have 3 forward facing seats. So just a bow that I can't say there's been a bow with more thought put into it than this bow right here. Very good, Tigé. We couldn't be more excited about this partnership with Tigé Boats, American brand out of Abilene, Texas, who care about their customers. They're privately owned and they're here to back you. Come check them out in person. Appreciate the watch.